Dreamy. Taste.
Hey friends!
Today we are drawing Holika. Let's get started! To draw Holika, we will start by drawing a few lines. Now join lines. Above the lines, we will draw flames. We will start by coloring the logs brown. Now we will color the flame yellow and orange.
And it's done! Bye friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.